Okay, here we go with the Caribbean Calypso. Now this is a very fun sequence dance, and it's danced to a lively tune that you possibly will know by the Mavericks called Dance the Night Away. So it's quite easy. We start in ballroom hold. Again, ladies start on their right, gentlemen on their left. And we're doing 3 quick walks backwards. Gentlemen are coming forwards, we go. 1, 2, 3, a small little kick. So ladies, your kick is going backwards. Gents, your kick is coming forwards, ever so small. Then you go back the way you came. 1, 2, 3, and tap the foot. Let's try that to time, and 1, 2, 3, kick, 1, 2, 3, and tap. We then do our chassés like in the barn dance. We're going side, close, side, tap, repeat the other way, side, close, side, tap. So from the top, here we go, and 1, 2, 3, kick, 1, 2, 3, tap, side, close, side, tap. The whole thing repeats again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, tap, side, close, side, side, close. On the last time through, you break hands and come to promenade hold. So once more from the top so you can see where we break out. Here we go, and 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, tap, side, close, side, tap, side, close, repeat. And 1, 2, 3, kick, 1, 2, 3, tap, side, close, side, and we release, hands facing in. Okay, ladies are then starting on their right foot, gentlemen on their left, and we're doing 3 walks. We then turn to face out and kick. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, kick. We then go the other way. 1, 2, 3, and we do this 4 times. 1, 2, 3. On the last time through, we come to promenade hold. Let's just try that to time. 1, 2, 3, and a kick. 1, 2, 3, and a kick. 1, 2, 3, and a kick. 1, 2, facing out. Ladies are then starting with their right foot, gentlemen with their left, and we're moving slightly forward, and we're just doing a side and a tap. It goes like this. Side, tap, side, tap, side, tap, side, tap. You then release hands and do side, close, side and a clap. Side, close, side and a clap. You come back to your partner, come back to face with ballroom hold. Side, close and face each other. Ready to start again. So let's go right back from the beginning and try that all the way through. Ladies on the right, gents on their left. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, tap, side, close, side, tap, side, close, and again. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, tap, side, close, side. Release the hands and face in, side, 2, 3, and a kick. 1, 2, 3, and a kick. 1, 2, 3, and a kick. Come to promenade and side, tap, 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 release, hands, side, close, side, tap, side, close, and face each other.
Here comes my happiness again, right back to where it should have been. 'Cause now she's gone and I'm free, and she can do a thing to me. Just wanna dance the night away with senoritas who can swing. Right down to those who get bright, just like a sunny morning light. And if you should see her, please let her know that I'm well. As you can tell, and if she should tell you that she wants me back, tell her no, I gotta go.